Inflation is a reality that affects us all, but it can have a particularly significant impact on our finances. As prices for goods and services rise, our money can lose its value, making it harder for us to afford the things we need. This is especially true when it comes to the cost of necessities such as food, rent, or even electricity bills. We have seen these prices rise dramatically in recent years, while wages have not kept pace. With the economy starting to open back up after the pandemic and the Federal Reserve's interest rates at their highest in years, this feels like a prime setup for a financial squeeze. But while inflation can be a difficult reality for many of us, the wealthy have found ways to make money during times of inflation. Let's take a closer look at the strategies and techniques that the wealthy use to make money during times of inflation and how they can potentially benefit from it. Invest in real estate. Rich people often invest in real estate as a way to make money with inflation. The reason for this is that inflation causes the prices of goods and services to rise. The value of real estate also tends to rise, making it a great way for the wealthy to protect their money and potentially see a return on investment. One of the most popular ways to invest in real estate is through rental properties. By purchasing a property and renting it out, the wealthy can see a steady stream of income while also enjoying the potential appreciation of the property's value. Another strategy that wealthy individuals use is flipping houses. This means buying a property, renovating it, and then reselling it at a higher price. This can be a high-risk, high-reward strategy, but it can also be a great way to make a significant return on investment in a short period of time. Invest in precious metals. Precious metals, such as gold and silver, are often used by wealthy investors to protect their portfolios against inflation. These metals tend to retain their value better than paper money or stocks, so they can be a great hedge against market volatility. If you're looking to invest in precious metals, it's important to remember that they are a long-term investment and should not be relied upon as a primary source of income, unlike a rental property. For example, if you have purchased $10,000 worth of gold in July 1970 and sold it in August 2020, it will yield you a return of roughly $80,000. Invest in commodities. Another way the wealthy make money during times of inflation is by investing in commodities. Commodities are physical goods that are considered interchangeable with other goods of the same time, such as oil, grains, and metals. These investments can be a great way to take advantage of inflation because the prices of commodities tend to increase when inflation is high. One popular way to invest in commodities is through commodities futures. Futures contracts are agreements to buy or sell a specific commodity at a set price on a future date. The wealthy often use these contracts as a way to speculate on the direction of commodity prices, and they can make money by buying low and selling high. Another way to invest in commodities is through exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or mutual funds that focus on commodities. These financial products allow investors to gain exposure to a basket of commodities rather than having to buy and hold the physical goods themselves. Invest in art, antiques, and collectibles. These can include paintings, sculptures, and other works of art, as well as rare books, coins, and other collectible items. The wealthy often invest in these assets because they tend to hold their value better than paper money. In addition, they can be a great way to diversify an investment portfolio because they're not as easily affected by market volatility. One of the benefits of investing in art, antiques, and collectibles is that they have a unique aesthetic appeal. This can make them a great way to diversify an investment portfolio while also enjoying the beauty of these items. It's also worth noting that investing in art, antiques, and collectibles can be risky, since there is no guarantee of their future value. Therefore, what normally happens, the individual who are planning to buy the art piece will appoint an independent art appraiser These are experts who have the knowledge and expertise to determine the value of artworks. They typically have a background in art history, museum studies, or a related field, and are often members of professional organizations such as the Appraiser Association of America or the International Society of Appraisers. Another way is through auction houses such as Christie's, Sotheby's, and Bonhams. They can provide buyers with a reliable estimate of the work's value and present opportunities to purchase items at below market prices. Start a business. Starting a business is another great way that wealthy people can capitalize on rising costs of living by investing in something that will generate profits long term despite economic fluctuations caused by inflationary pressures. When owning their own business, they have the potential to control income and profits rather than relying on a salary from an employer. Additionally, owning a business can also provide many tax benefits, which can help to mitigate the effects of inflation. There are many different types of businesses that can be started, but some popular options among the wealthy include service-based businesses, such as consulting or managing a fund, real estate-related businesses, as discussed previously, or franchising, which allows them to start a business using an established brand and business model of an existing company. For many wealthy people, starting a business is an opportunity to take control of their financial future and create a legacy for their family. It also provides them with a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Everyone can learn from the wealthy people. That is to invest early and invest in appreciating assets. Do not buy depreciating assets for the short-term excitement of owning it while sacrificing future financial freedom. Understand the markets and look for investments that can grow your wealth, such as stock and mutual funds, commodities, art antiques, real estate, or starting a business. By taking this approach to investing, you can build up your assets while also enjoying a more secure retirement. Investing early is an important step towards achieving financial freedom, so start now. If you found this video useful, please share it with your friends. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more stuff like this, and leave a comment as to what video you would like me to do next. Bye bye.